Hi there, welcome to Lilly-Tree. In this video, we're going to look at the 6-step bell making pliers. They're a surprisingly versatile tool, and we'll take a look at their various uses. This is part of my Jewellery Tool Talk series, where we take a look at the tools we need and will love to use for our jewellery making. To keep up to date with more tool talk and my jewellery tutorials, please consider subscribing. Now let's talk bell making pliers. So these are my bell making pliers. I've had them for many years. In fact, I think they were the first pliers upgrade I treated myself to, and I've not regretted that for an instant. As the name gives away, they have 6 steps of different sized rounds, 3 on either side. These steps are each a consistent diameter along the length of the step, making it easy to make the same size loop every time. For these pliers, the sizes are 2mm, 3mm, 4mm, 6mm, 8mm and 9mm. You can get many other multi-size pliers, some with large diameters, some with 3 steps on one side of the jaws and a single diameter along the length of the other side, and they might be called bell making pliers or looping pliers. So when purchasing, it's worth thinking about the diameter of the loops you want to make. Personally, I haven't yet found that I need any larger diameters. Because I make loops a lot, I'd love to have some with a step that's a little over 1mm, but I haven't found any yet. But other than that, these have served me well and do everything that I need. As you'd expect from the name, they can make bails, particularly from sheet metal or flat metal elements. But they have many other uses, including making loops, in wire wrapping projects, on beads, and when making links. Creating coils to cut for jump rings. They're also great for shaping ear wires and shaping hook clasps. Basically, anywhere you're looking to make a regular loop or curve, and particularly if you want to repeat that size and shape. I've had these for a long time, and the current BeadSmith version have got blue handles, but the step sizes are the same. I'll put links in the description below for both the US and the UK if you want to check them out. Some of these are affiliate links, so I'll get a small percentage of the sale if you buy through that link. And if you want a sneak peek at my recommendations for other tools, check out the tools page on my website. I'll also link that in the description below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and I'll see you soon.